Hello kids, how are you? Today we learn kids' favorite foods. The first one is chocolate. Next candy. Next French fries. Next bread. Next burger. Next cream roll. Next lollipop. Next sandwich. Next macaroni. Next pasta. Next cookies. Next egg. Next pizza. Next milk. Next cake. Next fish. Next milkshake. Next ice cream. Next noodles. Next donuts. Next candy. Next chips. Next pie. Next hot dog. Next ice cream cone. इसके बाद croissant. Next sausage roll. The last one is Manchurian. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video.